Hello students, good morning all of you. Today I Ravindra Mohan Mishra from Sri Jagdamba Sanskrit College Batho am taking the class of Shastri second. Yesterday we have seen what is parts of a speech and kinds of parts of a speech. Today we see noun and its parts. What is noun? Naming word is called noun. नाम वाले शब्द को noun कहते हैं. Other definition will be the word which denotes the name of place, person and things is called noun. व्यक्ति, वस्तु और स्थान के नाम को noun कहते हैं. Just for example, पटना, राम, sugar, milk, guava, etc. Now question arises, why is in our grammar there is a provision of noun? In every family there are more than 2 or 3 members. Each member has some name. Each member has made up of same mouth, eyes, ear, etc. but different name. Why? To differentiate from one person to another person. In the same way, there are different places in our country. Every place has some name for such to differentiate, and in the same way the things. In short, we can say to differentiate person to person, people to people, place to place, and things to things, there is a provision of noun in our grammar. व्यक्ति को व्यक्ति से, स्थान को स्थान से और वस्तु को वस्तु से अलग करने के लिए ही हमारे ग्रामर में noun की व्यवस्था की गई है. Now third question is, what is relationship between noun and pronoun? Ram is a good boy. She is very intelligent. She does not apply here for Ram. Why? She is used for feminine gender and Ram is in masculine gender. If the gender of noun is in masculine, the gender of pronoun certainly will be in masculine. Gender of pronoun will be feminine. Certainly there will be the gender of pronoun will be feminine. Another example we take, Ram is a boy, they run. They is not apply here for Ram because Ram is in singular and they is in plural. They is used for more than one. Here if noun is singular, pronoun also will be the singular. If noun is plural, the pronoun will be the plural. In short, we can apply the number and gender of pronoun will be the same as of noun. pronoun का नंबर और जेंडर वही होगा जो noun का होगा. Now fourth one is, what are kinds of Noun. There are five kinds of noun. First one is proper noun. Second one is common noun. Third one is collective noun. Fourth one is material noun. And fifth one is abstract noun. What is proper noun? A noun which denotes particular place, person and thing is called proper noun. जो noun खास व्यक्ति, वस्तु और स्थान को व्यक्त करता हो उसे proper noun कहते हैं. For example, mountain, for example, Mount Everest, Ram, etc. What is common noun? A noun which denotes common place, person and thing is called common noun. Example, mountain, river, etc. What is collective noun? A noun which denotes collection of place, person and thing is called collective noun. Example, class, bunch of keys, etc. Material noun. A noun which is measured, gauged or weighed is called material noun. Example is sugar, cloth, etc. What is abstract noun? A noun which shows feeling and emotion is called abstract noun. Just for example, happiness, goodness.